Hey there, I'm Willa Williams with the Go Getter team, and welcome to our video today where we're going to be talking about the 3 myths of getting involved in real estate investing. Number one, it's easy. There are so many videos that are out online where people are publicizing that it's easy, they did it. There are also all of the things that are happening on TV with HGTV, flip this house, or getting involved in real estate investing. And then of course, there are all the people who've never been involved in real estate investing who are espousing that they saw somebody else do it. All that to say, although it's not easy, it does not mean that it's not worth it. You will definitely encounter hurdles and obstacles and different friction and speed bumps and slowdown periods that can be very frustrating if you don't have the proper mindset. You must go about it with the marathoner's mentality. That way it doesn't matter what you come up against. You will definitely proceed forward and move till you get to the profitable place. Number two, that you need a ton of money to get started in investing in real estate. That's probably one of the most overblown myths that exist. There are so many ways for you to get involved in real estate investing, whether it be through a REIT, through teaming with other people and you invest together as a group, or whether it is simply buying your first property, living in it with a low down payment or even down payment assistance, renting out some part of the property, or when you get ready to move to the next property, turning that property into a rental property. Very simple ways to get involved that don't require a lot of money. Number three, you need to be older to do it. You know, when we're young, we see people who are older doing these big things and it kind of intimidates us, and maybe we're not thinking about the idea of building wealth yet, so it seems like something that's far off in the distant future. The reality is the quicker you get involved, the sooner you get involved, the better for your future. Literally, if I told you that 10 years from now you could be obscenely wealthy and you were only 20 years old, you may be thinking to yourself, well, I can just wait till 25. Well, if you wait till 25, then it'll be 35 before you're obscenely wealthy. So why not just go ahead and get started now at age 20, build up, and by the time you're 30, which is still a very young age, you can already be highly successful and financially free. I'm Willa Williams. If you have any more questions about things like real estate investing or how to build wealth, we're definitely here for you.